Friday, June 20th. Yeah, June 20th, 2014. No work today. Things are slow, so hey, what are you going to do? Worked half a day yesterday and half a day Wednesday, half a day Thursday, and I'm not even sure whether I'm going back Monday or not. I'm going to replace the clutch on my air conditioner compressor here in my 1995 Ford Bronco. So basically what I'm replacing is the clutch on the compressor. Here's the AC compressor. So you can see the compressor turns. 97 bucks. 88 plus tax. So this is it right here in the box. Looks very simple. So I'm in the process of removing this thing right now. Yeah, fairly simple. It's got a little screw in the middle there. It's an 8mm. So here's the first piece you got to take off. It goes on the front like that. Take the little screw off. There's a little washer. Watch for the little washers dropping out. Take that out. There's a little washer in the shaft there. There it is. It already fell out and I didn't even see it. There it is. It goes in there. Under that you got a little snap ring. The snap ring goes on right in there. You gotta look very carefully since this thing is all deteriorated. It's only about 20 years old. Yeah, deteriorated. I had to find it. I couldn't see it right away, but yeah, that snap ring goes on this thingy here. And now, let's see, what else do I got to do here? This is not in my repair manual, my Shilton's. So I'm on step number three, remove pulley snap ring. Slide rotor pulley assembly 10 off the compressor nose. If it is hot, it will not slide. Do not force. Allow the clutch to cool and then proceed. So yeah, this should slide off. Alright, so got a little different channel on the radio today. Just mix it up, you know, gotta listen to something different. Otherwise, life gets a little boring. Anyway, here is the next piece I took out after the snap ring. Okay, it does slide right off, but apparently it's been on there 20 years. It just took a little force. As you can see, the bearings are all dried out, and the dust shield or seal is all melted, decomposed. Compare that to the new one. See how it's sealed? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's the bearing there in the middle. It should be covered and sealed like that. As you can see, this one is gone. And the surface here of the clutch, this would be like the flywheel, no, not the flywheel, the pressure plate. Well, you can see in the video here, it's grooved. It should be flat like this, flat and smooth. It's all grooved and wavy. Might not come out in the video, but yeah, that's probably why this thingy's not working. It's just spinning and it's not catching on anything. Here's the other half. Okay. This fits on there and drives the other pulley, inside outside kind of thing. So that's that part out. Now there's one more part, and that's the piece here with the plug on it. This is the electromagnetic coil, what it's called here. Hub, armature, air gap, rotor, field coil assembly. I hate when I got my hands full, my nose is itching. There, okay, unplug that. Well, I can't find no freaking O-ring, snap ring on there. Well, check it out. Guess what came off? There is no snap ring in there, dummy. Yeah. It pays to read the instructions. It has 2 instructions here for removing the field coil assembly. And the one I was reading says, all compressors except the Ford FX15. Whoops. I missed that small note on there. For the field coil assembly for the Ford FX15 only, insert 2 pry tools between the rear of the field shell and the compressor housing. Whoops, that's what I did and it came right off. So that's what it looks like. The only moving part on this is the center shaft right here, where that little screw goes into. As you can see, the teeth it's splined. Yeah, it's got teeth on it. So, let me do some reading here. If you do this, you might want to pull the radiator and the fan shroud off just to give you some room to tap this thing on, because I hope I didn't beat it up too bad. As you can see, I hit the center sleeve or whatever you call this thing. It's dinged up now. I'm going to see if I can clean it up with something. I got some emery cloth or something. Can't have those nicks because the next part slides on there. Yeah. This part here now needs to slide on there. The bearing. So it's got to fit on there just right. Otherwise it's not going to go on. So let me see if I've got some emery cloth or something. File. No. Jack that up good, huh? Well, I hope I got it on. So, last thing to do is to check the gap. See right here, they give you a rotor pulley hub armature air gap. 18.018 of an inch, 2.03. So here's your 18 right here. Minimum, and that's the gap in between the clutch here. Oh, you can see that. Can't be any closer than that. If it's too close, something's wrong. You might have to shim this out a hair, and it comes with little shims. They're just little washers you put in there. But what you're measuring is the gap between this piece and this piece. This is your clutch. This is the drive part that goes on that little screw right there. It's on the outside. And this is your pulley. This is, well, I guess this would be your drive part. The clutch has to engage to turn the center section, which is this. And it'll make up with the pulley and yeah.